Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by setting up what matters: vertical orientation, 9, 16, and 1080p. Once done, open your camera and lock exposure and focus so brightness stays steady while you move. Then frame using the grid and position your hook in the top third. You have about 3 seconds to grab attention. Record multiple short clips instead of one long take. Make sure the audio is close or use a clip mic. Good sound keeps people watching. You move into editing using the phone editor or a Shorts-ready app. First, trim each clip to remove pauses and tighten rhythm. Aim for 15 to 60 seconds. Then add captions synced to speech so viewers can follow without sound. Once applied, use quick cuts and a speed ramp to emphasize action, and drop in a short branded intro frame. Finally, balance audio levels. Lower music to about 60 to 70% so your voice stays dominant. You finish by uploading in the YouTube app. Write a short, searchable title and add 3 to 5 hashtags including #shorts. Once done, select your audience settings and confirm the clip is 15 to 60 seconds. That ensures it surfaces in Shorts. Make sure the thumbnail reads vertically and the first frame hooks. If upload fails, check your Wi-Fi, compress to 1080p, or restart the app. These quick fixes usually result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.